Hello everyone, welcome to Lena's Kitchen. Today we will be making easy lasagna with ricotta cheese. First, you have to boil your lasagna for about 10 minutes in hot water with oil and bay leaves. Then, I cooked my ground beef in my marinara sauce that I season it with bay leaves, thyme, little bit of salt, and little bit of black pepper. I strained my lasagna and washed it with cold water. Before you will put your lasagna in your mold, you have to prepare everything in front of you. For your ricotta mixture, you will need 1 ricotta container, 2 big eggs or 4 small eggs, 2 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, little bit of parsley. Mix everything well, and if you notice that your mixture is a little bit thick, you can add 1 or 2 eggs, but all your eggs are between 2 and 4 eggs, no more than 4 eggs. Now it's time to line up our lasagna. Put little bit of the sauce on the bottom of your mold to avoid burning your lasagna. Line up your lasagna first, then 1 layer of ricotta cheese. To give my lasagna more fresh taste, I put some fresh mozzarella over it. You can sprinkle some mozzarella and parmesan cheese, whatever you want. Repeat these steps layer by layer. 1 layer of lasagna, 1 layer of ricotta cheese, then 1 layer of sauce. Between those layers, you can sprinkle some parmesan cheese or fresh ricotta cheese. If you notice that your lasagna is a little bit long, trim them to fit your mold. In the end, sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on the top and bake your lasagna for about 45 minutes to 50 minutes. After 45 minutes, take your lasagna from the oven, sprinkle some parsley on the top and parmesan cheese to give your lasagna more taste. Serve your lasagna hot. Enjoy it with your family and your friends. Hope you did like my video and you will try my recipe. See you in the next video. Bye!